in the market. So started with the introduction, and then he asked about what about your business model currently, and what is your weightage in that business. So what is the current market scenario in that business, and who are your buyers, who are your suppliers, and all that. After that, we discussed about is there any future plans. So he told us, yes, I am planning for some expansion in the market. So for that, then we asked about from where currently you are availing your limits, with which bank you are dealing. So then client, he told us that he currently is dealing with whatever bank he is happy, there is no issues. But the current situation is he is planning for some future expansion, and he is going to import some machinery. For that, he requires some term loan. So the
we are providing term loan plus and.
The situation is what the problem is.
Actually,
Yes,
the
yes.
main
Yeah,
issue,
situation was.
his existing bank, Punjab National Bank and Punjab National Bank, they actually in the merger process. So he needs a term loan immediately as he
As per
has
business
tenders.
requirement.
He has
Okay.
tenders from government. If he got late, his production will get affected. got
Okay.
affected, and
That is the implication,
There's a loss.
Okay,
basically.
okay.
Anybody is trying to speed up their sale, and it is a requirement to get the machinery as early as possible.
Okay. So now, if he doesn't get it as quickly as possible, what are the implications for him then? What will happen?
business loss.
Business loss means what?
But order he's into the kitty.
Order may
That
go
can
to
be-
some other customer.
Yeah, he loses that client also maybe.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Reputation also.
The reputation also. Wonderful. So these are the implications.
Yes, sir.
So now go on. Yeah. Then
So now the features, what we can offer.
no need payoff questions you have to ask. No. So now you got the implications. So would you want to do something about it? Is it hurting you? Is it going to hurt you in the future also? So would you like to do something about it?
Need is basically.
If I were to solve this problem for you, would you be happy about it?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So these are the questions. So then you only even say, oh yeah. Then you can start your fabbing then. All right, carry on, please.
So the implication was the business loss.
Mhm.
So then we asked the need. So he said my need is the immediate sanctioning of the term loan.
Okay.
After that, okay, then they discussed about features of our product with the client. So we offered him term loan to the client. With
Term plus we are giving some OD facilities. Actually, the client is getting CC loan, and we are giving him a term loan with an OD facility because as a term loan actually as he needs some money. He has to borrow. He has to get raw material also for the payment of their raw material, right? So he needs some money in urgent basis also. तो उस हिसाब से हमने actually we are planning for giving him some OD facility also. तो first of all he is getting CC limit. तो OD limit में ये हो जाएगा कि we are not getting actually we are coming to their in a multiple banking way. तो हम लोग उसके जो करंट एक्सेस के चार्ज है तो हम उसको उस चीज़ में नहीं लेके आ रहे कि हम लोग उसको थोड़ा सा कंफर्टेबल महसूस करवा रहे हैं कि ठीक है आपको सीसी लिमिट में जैसे कि आपको करंट एक्सेस पे चार्ज देना पड़ेगा, दूसरे बैंक से परमिशन लेना पड़ेगा, या फिर आपको अपना क्या कहते हैं उसको स्टॉक स्टेटमेंट वगैरह देना पड़ेगा. हमारे इस चीज़ में आपको वो नहीं देना पड़ेगा. हम आपको एक स्मॉल सा आपका जो बेनिफिट है जो इस समय आपकी जो जरूरत है हमको वो पूरा करके दे रहे हैं. साथ में हम उसको अपने साथ एक करंट अकाउंट भी साथ में अटैच करके देंगे जिसमें मल्टीपल बेनिफिट्स होंगे, जिसके साथ उसको ये लगेगा कि उसका जो बिजनेस है कितना आसानी से वो चल सकता है, क्योंकि वो सरकारी बैंक में है. हम उसको प्राइवेट बैंक के जो फीचर्स हैं ठीक है वो दे देंगे. लाइक जैसे CMS है, उसका जो बिजनेस है वो ऑल ओवर इंडिया में है, वो उसके छोटे छोटे रिटेलर हैं. रिटेलर में क्या है कि उसके कहीं से कोई चेक कर रहा है, मल्टीपल चेक्स आते हैं, तो CMS फैसिलिटीज देयर, तो वो हम उसको दे देंगे. हम उसको बताएंगे कि हम आपको एक करंट अकाउंट दे रहे हैं. सेकंड करंट अकाउंट हम उसको ये कहेंगे हम आपको 5 लाख से करंट अकाउंट खोलेंगे. आपकी इच्छा है उसको 5 लाख को अगर आप हमें FD के रूप में दे दो तो उसमें क्या आपको 2 बेनिफिट देंगे. पहला बेनिफिट तो ये है कि हम उसको आपको FD दे देंगे, आपको क्रेडिट कार्ड दे देंगे. क्रेडिट कार्ड में क्या होगा?
So now credit card will be a feature
Yes,
of that particular. Now how it will turn into benefit? Yeah.
ठीक है.
Okay.
क्रेडिट कार्ड दे देंगे. थर्ड थिंग हम लोग जो 5 लाख है उसका आप उसको
Sweep in FD में convert
FD में कन्वर्ट
Okay.
कर देंगे.
Whenever आपको
उसमें-
पेमेंट करनी है तो
हम्म।
उतना अमाउंट सारा वो डिडक्ट हो जाएगा और इंटरेस्ट आपके अकाउंट में क्रेडिट हो जाएगा.
Okay.
It's not a fixed कि आप उसको निकाल नहीं सकते.
Okay.
Sweep in FD.
FD
So what is the benefit for that?
Yes, sir. FD के ऊपर भी हम लोग क्या करेंगे, FD के ऊपर भी हम उसको लियन मार्क करके रख लेंगे. तो अगर वो चाहे तो उसके ऊपर भी अपनी OD फैसिलिटी ले सकता है. हम उसको उसके ऊपर भी OD फैसिलिटी दे सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो वो एक इसमें बेनिफिट है। तो इस हिसाब से हम लोग इसको 3-4 बेनिफिट इसमें देंगे।
एक क्रेडिट कार्ड में जो हमने उसको फीचर दिया है कि जैसे उसका इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल आ रहा है उसकी हमने 15 लाख लिमिट उसको फिक्स कर देंगे, तो उसका आपके पास इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ऑलरेडी बिल आता है 8 लाख, 10 लाख और 12 लाख। तो उसमें बेनिफिट क्या होगा, उसको रीपे करने के लिए 50 डेज मिल जाएंगे, वो पैसा बिजनेस में इन्वेस्ट कर सकता है तब तक।
Now that 50 days which is getting, it's a leverage you're giving him. So what is the benefit that he's going to get out of that?
और एक और चीज़ है
Interest saving.
Interest saving and what else? So the saved money
save money and then
which can be used somewhere else. Number one, yeah.
It's an unsecured amount.
हाँ,
Yeah.
He can use it, ठीक है, because he can use it
जो वो
anyway.
स्पेंडिंग करेगा उसको कैशबैक भी मिलेगा। ये नॉर्मल सीसी में नहीं होगा अगर वो सीसी पेमेंट करेगा,
Okay.
ये भी बेनिफिट।
और इंटरेस्ट सेविंग तो है ही इसमें।
Okay.
Also, जो उसका करंट अकाउंट हम उसको दे रहे हैं, तो जैसे थोड़ा बहुत उसने बताया कि उसका कैश भी आता है, तो द एग्जिस्टिंग बैंक जो है वो उसको चार्ज करता है कैश का। तो इन दिस अकाउंट दिस इज चार्ज, देयर विल बी नो चार्ज, तो वो भी उसको एक तरह का
Cost saving basically.
कॉस्ट सेविंग हो जाएगी।
Okay.
तो वो कैश डिपॉजिट करवा सकता है, क्योंकि ईएमआई जो है यहीं से इसी करंट अकाउंट से जानी है, तो कैश डिपॉजिट करवाएगा तो वहीं से हम उसकी ईएमआई भी कर लेंगे और दैट इज कॉस्ट उसका सेव हो जाएगा।
Okay. So in all these things do what to him? If we combine all these things that you mentioned, all the benefits,
Actually-
so in the end, what he's going to get out of that?
Out of that, immediate term loan we are giving.
Peace of mind, convenience, comfort,
That,
reduce stress and frustration for not being able to, use the,
बिल्कुल।
I mean, improve upon the business and growth, and you are there to help him in that, in his growth, which will ensure that he earns the money, the revenue generation is not stopped, and he's able to live a comfortable life and attain his dreams. So yeah, so this is the way we are going to talk about in terms of our spin sales as well as fibbing. All right, my friend,
Yeah.
that's it. Give them a big hand, everybody. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Wonderful.